Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about remaining parts design in the CATIA software. So universal coupling, we have designed these three parts, that is pin, collar and taper pin. Now we will discuss about the designing of the fork and the center block. Okay, so for that I am going to open the part design. So click on start, mechanical design, part design. So part design module will be open. Okay, so for designing of the fork, so it consists of an rectangle block and it consists of a circles like this. Okay, so before that I'm going to draw this rectangle box. Okay, from here we are going to draw this rectangular box. So this is 30 and this is from center point to this is 130, so it is at exact center, so this length is 65. So first I'm going to draw this. So I'm going to take the middle plane, go to sketch. Okay, so draw this box. So using the profile, I'm going to draw a box like this. So firstly, draw a box. Okay, and this length should be 30. So length of this is 30. Next total length is, that is, this vertical height is 106 plus 28 plus 28. So this vertical length should be 106 plus 28 plus 28, and it is exactly at the center. To make this lines as symmetry with this horizontal axis, so first select this horizontal line, next this horizontal line and horizontal axis, and go to constraint and make it to symmetry. Okay, so like this the object is made symmetrical. Okay, and now I'm going to exit from the workbench. Okay, next we should make the pad option like this. It should be a distance of this circle diameter, that is this total length is 88. So use the pad option and give the length as 44. Okay, I'm giving only half distance only on one side. To get the same distance on other side, you can use the mirrored extend, so that it will get the equal distance on either side. So total distance is 88. Okay, if you want you can check also the length of this. So it can be done by using the measure between. So if I click on the measure between, select this point and this point, the total distance is, here you can minimum distance is 88. Okay, so this measure between from point to point, the distance between the point to point is 88 mm. Okay, so next we are going to draw this one. Okay, so select this face and click on sketch. Okay, now with respect to with this line we are going to sketch this. Okay, so for that I am going to project this line. So click on the project 3D elements and select this line, so that that line is projected, and this will be used as the references, and from this the object can be drawn. Okay, so it consists of two circles. So I'm going to draw one circle here, and similarly with the same center point I'm going to draw other circle. So the distance from this line to this point is 65, that is half of 130 is 65. Okay, so go to dimension, from this point to this center point the distance should be 65. Okay, and the diameters of this can be seen. Okay, if I zoom out, okay, so this collar, this pin should be inserted here. Okay, so this diameter should be same as this, that is diameter as 30. So the diameter of this small circle is 30. Okay, and the diameter for the big circle should be 88. Okay, Next it is like this. We should draw a line from this point to this point. Similarly, from this point to this point. Okay, and we should remove this remaining portion. It can be done by using the trim option. Use the quick trim option to delete it. Okay, so we have completed the sketch. Now I'm going to exit from the workbench. Okay, now use the pad option to get the object padded up to a distance of 28. Okay, so use the pad option and select the sketch. Okay, and the direction should be downward, so use the reverse direction, and the distance should be 28. Enter. Okay, so I have drawn the top portion. Similarly, we should be get at the bottom. So without drawing, I'm going to make the mirror option. So go to information transformation features in the insert bar and use the mirror option to make it mirror. So mirror, it is asking for the selection of the part. So go to part design, select this, and mirroring element this axis, that is xy plane. If I click on xy plane, automatically the part will be mirrored on the either side. Okay, so we are done with the half of the portion. So next on the back side we need to draw this one. So select this face, go to sketch. Okay, so draw two circles of diameter 88 and with another circle of diameter 50. So draw two circles. Okay, draw two circles with the same center point and give the dimensions for the circles. So it should be of 88 and another one should be of diameter 50. Okay, so for the small circle, that is for diameter 50, there is a one slot like this. Okay, so draw a slot here by using the center rectangle, or you can use the profile. For easy, I'm going for the center rectangle. So at this point I'm going to draw a slot like this. Now give the dimensions for this. The length I'm giving it as some 10, and this vertical distance from this point to this circle I'm giving it as 8. Okay, if you zoom on it, you need to remove these parts. Okay, so using quick trim, remove these parts. Okay, as the distances are not given here, I'm giving roughly. So if you want, you can reduce this height also. Okay, so we have completed the figure. Now exit from the workbench, Z zoom out and give the pad option up to a length of 65. Means it should be a total of 130. We are taking the half distance on other side, so another half should be 65. So use the pad option, select this profile, and the total distance should be 65. 65, enter. So it should be like this. So we have done with the figure. Okay, next we are going to draw the other part, that is center block. Okay, so I'm now going to save this file. So before that, I'm assigning some color and the name. So future properties, give the part name as rock. Okay, now give the color for this, go to graphics and assign some color and click on OK. So color is assigned. Now I'm going to save this file. So go to file, save as, give the name as pork, and all parts of the universal coupling should be in the same folder. So universal coupling, already I have drawn the 3. parts. This is the next part, that is work, and click on save. So we have completed this figure. Now we are going to design the other part, that is center block. So for that, go to file, open a new part design. So list the type as, select the part and click on OK, and give the part name as center block. So we have given the name as center block. Now we are going to design this file. As you zoom it, you can see it consists of two center blocks. Okay, so which is perpendicular to each other. Okay, firstly I'm going to draw these two circles of different diameters like a cylinder, and from the center axis we need to design other cylindrical block. Okay, so first I'm going to draw this vertical cylinder block. I'm going to select this YZ plane, okay, sorry, XY plane, and go to sketch and draw these two circles from the center axis. Okay, I have drawn the two circles. Now give the dimensions for this center circles. So this circle and this circle. So diameters of the center circle is, diameter is 30 and the other circle is 56. Okay, next we are going to use the pad option. Now exit from the workbench. Okay, so from the center axis it should be of 53. So we need to make a mirror option. So select this sketch, click on pad. Okay, so on one side it is 53 from center axis, similarly on other side it is also 53. So for that I am using the mirror extension so that it is equally given. Okay, so we have drawn the one cylindrical axis. Okay, next in the perpendicular to this plane, that is perpendicular to XY plane, we need to select the other plane. I need to draw this. So I'm going to select this YZ plane and click on sketch. Okay, so these two circles are at a distance of 38 from the vertical axis. So firstly draw two circles at some distances on the horizontal axis. Okay, I'm drawing two circles at a distance of, at some distance. You should draw two circles. Now give the dimensions for these two circles. Okay, as in shown in this figure, the distance from the center circles to the vertical axis is 38. So give the distances from vertical axis to the center point. Okay, it should be 38, and the diameters of two circles, one is 30 and another is 56. So change the diameter. Okay, so we have done this. Now we need to exit from the workbench. Okay, so as shown in the figure, here also we need to give the same distance on either side. So use the pad option, select this, it is shown as 53. Now use the mirror extend on either side. So this is how the object is shown. Okay, as here the object should be removed. You can draw a small circle here and you can remove it. So select this face, go to sketch. Now project this small circle and exit from the workbench. Now use the pocket option, okay, to remove entirely. So total should be 120 and click on enter so that this part is also be removed like this. So this is how the object is removed here. Now I'm going to save this file. So before that I'm giving this properties like feature properties, that is name of the block, that is center block, and assigning some color. I'm giving it as this color and click on OK. Now I'm going to save this file. So go to file, click on save as, give the name as center block and click on save. So the universal block components are designed in CATIA. So and assembling of these components we'll discuss in the further classes. Thank you.